So maybe you just bought your first full frame mirrorless camera and you're out in the field and you're excited because it's going to give you the best focus, it's going to give you the best image quality, high megapixels, a lot of money going into it, and a lot of money coming from your gig because you're about to take some precious images for your clients, some of the best images they have ever seen. And you go to switch your lens, or you go to open your lens up and find out that you got a smudge on your lens. Oh no, because that 42 megapixels is gonna pick that up. That 60 megapixels is gonna pick it up. That 100 megapixels is gonna pick that up. So what do? You clean it really quickly. But the first thing you wanna do is you wanna wash your hands. And you wanna wash your hands because all that grease and stuff from your hands can really make it harder to clean if it gets onto your lens. So the next thing you wanna do is you wanna have some tools. You can't just clean your lens with just anything. The go-to tool is the lens pen here. And as you can see, my hands are pretty ashy because I just washed them. I don't want anything getting on this lens, even if that means being ashy for this video. So the lens pen here, it has two convenient sides. It has the brush side here, bang, and it also has the pen side here. Assuming you have a full frame mirrorless camera, you want to go ahead and take your lens off your camera body. Put your camera body face down because you don't want to have the sensor getting dirty. That's the last thing you want to have. Next thing you want to do is you want to get out a blower. Get a blower. I use VSGO, but you can use any product or brand. I'm not sponsored by them. I just use them because I trust them. All right, so you want to get the VSGO blower or any other blower that you can find that blows lenses. All right, put your lens face down. Blow any kind of particulates off that lens. Anything that could be dust, heavy, flows to the ground. Do not face it up and try to blow it like this because you'll blow stuff into the camera lens. Also, face down to the other side. You want to pick up your lens pen here. You want to go to one side, pick off the brush. Next thing you want to do is just brush everything out. Brush all the crevices, everything out really quickly because your client's probably waiting for some wedding pictures, right? All right, flip it over, brush, 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 brush. All right, now once the brush is done, flip your lens pen over, open this part of it. You want to take this part and you want to kind of Mr. Miyagi it, right? Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. All right. Inspect your lens the best way you can, right? All right, close that up, put that down, and there you go. Now, if you need it, you can use a microfiber cleaning cloth, and if it's easier, you can do it that way. Microfiber cleaning cloths are a little bit quicker of a way. You may or may not need to use the lens pen. I like to use the lens pen because it's safer. You can also use a microfiber cleaning cloth that's in a sealed package if you have that on hand, but usually most people are only going to have this on hand. I do recommend going ahead and blowing it if you can with the blower here before you use the microfiber cleaning cloth. But if this is all you have, go ahead and use this. You got to wrap it around your finger. Make sure it's wrapped around your finger so you don't have any kind of poking surfaces on top of your lens. All right, and once you're done with that, you want to quickly put your lens back on your sensor here. And there you go. I'm Devin with CenturyFX Studios, guys. If this helped you, let me know in the comments below. This was just a quick cleaning for your camera's lens. Next up will be the sensor. Stay tuned. Patreon, links in the description below. Also, affiliate links in the description below. And stay tuned for the next video.